ready to supercharge your community building and connect your TikTok viewers directly to your Discord server. Here's exactly how to add your Discord link to your TikTok profile in just a few simple steps. First, open your TikTok app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your personal profile page. Once you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually located just below your profile picture and username. Tap on that. Now, you'll see a few options. The key field we're looking for is Website. This is where we'll paste your Discord invite link. Go to your Discord server and generate an invite link then. Copy that link back in TikTok's Edit Profile section. Paste the copied Discord invite link into the website field. Make sure it's the complete link. After you've pasted your link, don't forget to tap the Save button at the top right of the screen to confirm your changes. And just like that, your Discord link will now appear as a clickable button on your TikTok profile. Your followers can now easily join your Discord community with a single tap. This is a fantastic way to foster deeper engagement, share exclusive content, and build a loyal community across both platforms. Get more viewers on TikTok and bring them into your Discord for even more interaction. It's that easy. Go ahead and try it out and watch your community flourish.